I just put on my rich house. I don't see network. You know go show number.
You go show number.
As you don't crash.
You suppose show number now. It die finish. I be not the show network.
You know they even do.
Okay, you know they indicate that all.
Yeah.
Now it die finish. Now old sim.
New SIM.
Give me starts to driver. Now here you register am. Now here you register am.
No, we are registered now. Their office. 8 but now go to the welcome back.
Okay, now welcome back. You guys say you go back. Oh.
Huh?
If now welcome back, now me say you go back.
If I go there, they will bring the number back.
Yes.
The number where they say you come back.
If then do backup for you. You never tell when you register them now.
You don't pay. You don't, this will happen now. January time will crash like this.
Hey. Shy.
It's registered. But the number not fit.
They go fit. Maybe you they fit do one for you. No, you go their office direct. They will run am for you. At the opposite First Bank now.
Now that go do the welcome back. January or last year, sir.
Bring water for this girl now. She said she need water. You dey come out? Bring like 5. Shebi you bring yesterday. You don't hot. That cooler not good.
I do understand back up. I don't know how this one get back up.
Okay.
Bring the numbers back. Like other network. It don't happen to me before I go register and back.
Hey. For the phone. One tire for her. All right, sir. How much I tell you on before? What is 3,000?
I did 3,000 for this thing. I didn't mind. That's why I gave my money. With this 2,500, so you remove a lot of money.
You don't get money, who you?
I don't have money, serious. I'm writing an exam now.
No, exam is finished.
My exam finished.
That'll be fine, I you day.
No.
Which level?
So you're going
You still have more years to enjoy. Yeah. School is sweet too.
It is sweet, but the building is too much. This will get power back.
What do you do?
Like, it's not charging. I mean, not the one I mean, it's the power back.
Nope.
Okay.
The only charging ports I do for power bank.
Very charging. Okay, then, so. Are they charging for your power bank today?
My organ not teach me that one.
Why? Before that is
If I'll come back, people won't want to make money don't blow.
I say you have to learn.
Yes, no. Work they easy to learn. You don't which work you learn?
Yes,
It dey easy for you
it was
to.
easy because it was a gift.
That one na gift now. Now they talk of gift. That one because you carry and come. Then they carry phone come. Phone na them bomb me meet am. The hair you carry and come. So you feel learn and well.
There's one brother that I
Na so na. As long as in a market you enter, you must see what you like.
I don't know if I want to wear it.
Wait till
This brand, this is like my hair. This is my hair like this.
because say they fit you now.
That's why I say I want to buy it again. I want to buy black. But I don't have black. Like this thing should last me for at least till next year, I beg. We cannot change any points to next year. Is it possible?
Abi may you, but your cord is working
My
well.
phone is working, just like it is discharging. And I feel, I notice that this is slack, the charging point is slack.
I see am. The mouth don't open finish.
Baby,
Yes.
it's not tight.
Why the charging? The cord they had to enter inside before.
No, like it enter where they charge, like it enter tight where they charge. Well,
Suddenly,
it's, you know they enter where they slack.
let me say you don't to use them.
I don't use the
You
cord.
know as they yes, as you don't to use the pot man. Na every day something. Every day something. The theory of use and disuse don't affect them. The family people. Why not? Make them change them. Bro. But you they make her for school now. Yeah, exactly. Outside, after school, uncle.
After school,
Mm.
I go mama house, now they make am school, I make am.
You know they make her for us.
I know anybody.
What do you mean?
Anybody now, inside house, I know it's nice.
Why?
My parents are not like come up.
They don't agree when you come out.
My house, I do.
Are you serious?
How do you feel?
Transfer our card. Huh? I can come. Yes. You will give her money now.
Will I pay you?
Before, cause you don't go pay her before.
Always.
You know transport when you pay, go bring the water.
See, I'm not paying it. You know that I pay that money.
That's it. How much is left? 1.6. Zenith. This card not the one for. It doesn't work. Battery for it. The phone they keep battery. The phone they keep battery.
No.
Which battery run down?
I want back to rest the now say honor. If I honor now, the thing go on. The black say the battery go on.
Hey yeah.
Yes, sir.
100 naira.